Good morning, party people. I got Panther back on the road. As you may remember, I parked Panther because I was having control arm issues. Man, the issues was very basic but dangerous situation. You'll see that in one of the future videos. I want to let you guys know that I am posting free videos open to the public on the Patreon site. You can go to the Patreon site, click on them, watch them. I just don't want them in the general public. I want those to people that are my subscribers to see those videos. So don't forget to stop by the Patreon site, scan through the page, see if there's some videos you missed, watch a video. The one that I'm posting today is of Queen Bee, and one of my viewers named Santos. We raced down the drag strip, Volvo on Volvo, Queen Bee against his little S70. Gotta watch that video. Another thing I want you to know, I'm starting another channel. It's not really a DIY channel. It is a educational channel, and it'll teach people that know little or nothing about cars everything they need to know about cars. So if you have children, relatives, all these people that ask you car questions, send them to the channel. If you have time, please go to the channel and subscribe to it. I need at least 1,000 subscribers ASAP, and I need 4,000 hours of viewing ASAP. Not hung up on that, but I need that, get that goal done. Free channel, will never be anything charged on that channel as it is on this one, but I want to teach people that know nothing about cars everything they need to know about cars. There will be no stupid questions. I'll be posting 1 or 2 videos a week. If you need that kind of information, you might want to subscribe to it to watch the videos as well. But please tell your friends and family if they want to know about cars and how to keep their cars serviceable and on the road, they want to tune into that channel. I'm not teaching them how to change brakes and wheel bearings and transmissions. That stuff is for this channel. That channel will be for basic information. There's a lot of basic information that people know. I want to educate people on what they need to know about cars so that when they're having them serviced, having them repaired, just checking on them weekly, they'll know what they're looking for and they'll understand what's going on about it. So that's the channel I need you guys to tune into. As you know, I have not started working on red bearing yet. I got to get Paul's cylinder head done. Clearwater Cylinder Head Company sent us the wrong head, probably a head for a Ford. They're putting Volvo engines in Fords. Got the head bolted in, fired it up, and there was some little weird oil port that's squirting oil out of the side of the head. I don't know. If it was mine, I'd want the right head in there, so I encouraged Paul to get a head. So I got to get that C30 cylinder head done. Another thing, I got to go get that Maserati put back together, Karen's Maserati. Third thing, I got to do the timing belt and the rear brakes and a couple of coolant things on the donor car. I hope to do that stuff Monday. After that's out of the way, we're going to get red bearing up and running, put back together, and then we're going to work on getting the Panther ready for the BBORR. So I appreciate you tuning in. Thank you very much. Look forward to having a great year. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.